Okay, with this question, tree diagram, probability tree diagram, we've got two situations. Okay, we've got 5 white counters, 2 red counters, 7 counters altogether. So this is going to be 2 out of 7. In the next situation, then she picks from bag B, and remember, so there's basically 2 different bags. There's bag A, which has got 5 white and 2 red, and there's bag B, okay, which has got 3 white and 2 red. And so here with bag B, we could pick a white and a red, and we've got a white and a red, and this should be red here. And obviously then to pick when you pick bag B, it's 3 whites out of a total of 5, so 3 out of 5 here, and 2 reds out of 5, 3 reds out of 5, 2 reds out of 5. Okay, now what I've just done there with the white, the red, the arms in the right place, and the right numbers, that would actually get you the 2 marks. But I strongly recommend that you work out what white is, what white-red is, what red-white is, and what red-red is. When you're going along the arms, you multiply, so 5 times 3 is 15, 7 times 5 is 35. And if you keep going along, you get 10 out of 35, you get 6 out of 35, and you get 4 out of 35. A good check to do is to make sure that you end up with 35 out of 35. So 15, 25, 6 and 4 make 10. So yeah, we do get 35 out of 35. So that we must have done that correctly. Now I'm in a strong position to answer the questions. What's the probability that both will be white? Okay, well that makes this event successful. So the answer is 15 out of 35. You can cancel it down, but they haven't asked me to, so well, by the way, the answer is 15 out of 35, which does cancel down to 5/7, but as I said, you don't have to do that if you don't want to, because they didn't ask me to put it in the simplest forms. The next question says, and the key thing here actually is, it says probability that exactly 1 counter will be white. Exactly 1 counter will be white. So sometimes they say at least, which means it would include the white one, but because it says exactly 1, okay, that makes that an unsuccessful event. This is a successful event. This is a successful event. That's unsuccessful. Here there's 2 whites, so that's not exactly white. Here there are no whites. That's not exactly 1 white. But here we've got exactly 1 white. Here I've got exactly 1 white. So 10 ways here and 6 ways here make the answer to this question 16 out of 35. They haven't asked for me to simplify it, so I can leave my answer like that.